Okay, we are doing homework check 10.8. Starting with problem 1. Well, know that the equation is there, so we can say that um, negative 1 is in the spot of 1 because the equation is x minus 1, or x minus h, which h is 1, negative 1. So then we can say that those 2 points are the center point and there's no y, so we can just say that it's y. Well, we know that this 14 is in the spot of r squared, so we need to square root that number. Well, for problem 2, we know that the equation is x minus k is quantity squared plus y minus h quantity squared is equal to r squared. So we are given that the center points are negative 1 and 0, so we can just simply do the equation x minus 1 quantity squared plus y squared is equal to 25 because we need to square root 5. Okay, moving on to problem 3. Well, we know that the equation is r squared is equal to x minus k, which k in this case is 5. So we can say that x minus 5 quantity squared is that. And then we can say that since negative 7 is in this place of h, y plus h, or y plus minus h, which negative 7 would make that in addition, so it would be y plus 7 quantity squared. Well, then we need to use the distance formula. So it's going to be r is equal to 5 minus 3, or plus 3 squared, plus negative 7 plus 4 squared, which then you need to add the two together, so you get, or add the squared numbers together, so you get r is equal to 8 squared plus 3 squared under the square root bar, which then you need to square those numbers, so you get 64 plus 9 underneath, and then you get r is equal to the square root of 73. So r square root of 73, you need to put that equal to the square root. You need to square that number, so you get 73. So your answer for this is going to be 73 is equal to x minus 5 quantity squared plus y minus, or plus 7 quantity squared. Okay, going on to problem 4. So you know that the center points are going to be 2 and 1 because those are in the spots of h and k. So then we need to find the radius, which is going to be, right now we know the the diameter, so we need to square root the 9. So we will get 3. So your one point is going to be at 2, 1. And then you need to move over 3 places from that point, so your number is going to be at negative 1, 1. And then you need to move up 3, so you'll be at 2, 4 for another point. And then you need to move to the right 3, and you will be at 5, 1. And then your last point will be at 2, negative 2. And then you need to draw a circle to connect all the dots minus the center point. So your answer, so that would be your answer. That is it for homework check 10.8.